entire team, our event organizer. Thank you so much for your dedication and creativity. Maganda po talaga masyado yung design mo, ma'am. Sa binigay ko po na inspiration, kuha talaga. And every detail for tonight, it's very perfect po talaga, and it would have been magical without your expertise. To Kuya Mav, our editor, and his team, thank you for capturing all the beautiful moments na mababalik ko po talaga when the time comes, and I'll have this memory preserved forever. To Ma'am Jen and her team, my makeup artist, thank you so much for making me feel very confident tonight. And you worked wonders, and I could have been more happier than everything turned out. To Tito J, my MC, thank you so much for guiding us throughout this event. Maganda po talaga masyado yung way mo sa pag-MC. No boring moment po talaga. And to my family, Mama, thank you po masyado. Without you, grabe ka daw, sabi ni Ma'am Karen, from the details daw, super. And dahil sa'yo, nakompleto talaga yung 18th roses ko, my candles, the treasures, and the bills. But not just tonight, but every single day, may tulakay kayo to encourage me to be the best. And Papa, thank you pa. Pangit ka pa rin. Kiana, thank you. Huwag mo na huwagin. Okay, your hard work and sacrifice have made all of this possible, and thank you everyone for attending tonight, and enjoy the night.
Thank you so much. We have the debutante.